Now, let's take a look at the features of our JTAPURE house-wide water purifying UV sterilizer. The first thing we'll take a look at is its shell. Our shell is made of 304 thickened steel. The intake and outtake valves are found at either end. These valves are 1/2 inch. This unit produces 6 gallons a minute. If you choose to buy our 12 gallon a minute product, these valves at either end will be 3/4 of an inch. As we can see, the product is perfectly sealed. If I take off the end cap here, you'll notice that the sealing ring is embedded and can withstand up to 10 kilograms of water pressure. A quartz sleeve here ensures more convenient use. It is equipped with an ultraviolet Philips germicidal UV lamp, imported from Poland and boasting a stable working life of over 9,000 hours. Other included accessories include an electronic UV ballast, a connecting wire with sealant plug, 3 black fixing clamps, 3 mounting screws, and an operating manual. Next, let's take a look at how to install a unit. First, we'll find an appropriate placement for our sterilizer, and we'll place it against the wall. At this point, we'll mark 2 appropriate locations, here and here. This is where we'll mark the mounting screws. Next, we'll place the mounting clamps in these 2 locations. Put the stainless steel shell into the fixing clamps and fasten them firmly. First, we'll connect this wire to the ballast itself. Once we've made a secure connection, we'll secure this side of the bulb holder. Once you've connected it to the bulb, you'll plug the bulb in on the other side, directly to the ballast line, like so. Place the bulb into the stainless steel shell. Once the bulb is secure in place, you'll want to affix the dust cover. The dust cover has been produced with a certain tolerance in its dimensions, so you might have to push it hard. Next, connect the intake and outlet to your home or office's water supply. At the top of the unit, you'll see the inlet, and the bottom, the outlet. Connect the water inlet and outlet to your home or office's water supply. Finally, connect the power, and that's it. The electronic ballast equipped with this sterilizer will sound alarms in case of malfunction. Once the bulb stops working or fails, the malfunction indicator on the electronic ballast will flash and beep to prompt you to replace the bulb. The JTAPURE house-wide water purifying UV sterilizer sterilizes water completely in a physical manner. It uses high-frequency C-band ultraviolet light to destroy the DNA of various microorganisms in 20 seconds to 1 minute. It kills 99% of bacteria and viruses, including influenza, hepatitis, E. coli, staph, B. subtilis black spore variants, and a variety of mold sources and allergens. Moreover, it will not independently produce any harmful substances or change the taste of the water, so that it can provide your family with safe and clean water, because we know that you care about your family's health. Okay, that's all. Thank you for purchasing our products. Wishing you a happy life.